Okay, I'm here with Shirley, and we're here at these beautiful condos in Thurmont, Maryland. It's Frederick County, and we just had an AC unit installed. Actually, we had 4 of them installed all at the same time by Holtzople Heating and Air Conditioning. And let's start at the beginning. How did the presentation go when Jerred gave you the presentation about, what needed to be done and the costs and all that sort of thing?
Well, I was just really impressed. He was very thorough. I had questions, and of course, I don't know a lot about HVAC, but I was able to ask questions and didn't even feel like they were dumb questions. And he answered them very thoroughly and just very professionally.
And then they installed the units just this past Friday, I think it was, and they installed 4 all at the same time. They had a crane out here, and it was just really amazing. What did you think about that whole procedure and how that went?
We stopped by, and just everything was just going so smoothly, and yet Jerred took time to stop, talk with us, and just went on about his business. When we got involved, 2 other units were already committed, and then we committed, and somebody else asked about it, and they committed. So it was wonderful that all 4 of us could do it at the same time.
Yeah, and it saved us some money because the crane was split across all 4 jobs, and now it's been running for a few days now. What kind of feedback do you have on how well the system's been working?
As far as I can tell, everything's perfect, and I know that if we have questions, we just call Jerred.
There you go. Thanks again. And now we're going to be cool during the summer and warm in the wintertime.
Absolutely, and dealing with a nice local family-owned business.
Thanks again, Shirley.
Sure,
yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, we just heard from Shirley, and she's obviously a happy camper.
Yeah, we were all pretty happy after this one. Glad it's done.
That was a major job, 4 units in one day here with a crane, having a crane on and off.
Yeah, everything went pretty smoothly. We had all 4 indoor units done and outdoor units done, normal time frame for the day, so it was good.
Now, without giving away any trade secrets, how do you maintain the level of quality that you do? I was watching your technicians work, and it's just amazing to see the quality, and they're just so well organized, and the way they work together as teams. How do you pull that off?
Well, we try to make sure we go a lot of training. They're in training at least probably 15 to 20 days out of the year, all the different crews, and we have the same people working together all the time. So if you have the same 2 people working together, they kind of know how each other work, and they get along and kind of don't have to even talk about it. They can all just know what the other one's about to do and needs to do.
And I noticed the veterans that have been there longer help out the guys that are newer, and there seems to be just a really good relationship there.
Yeah, there's always coaching going on. I mean, they're always constantly trying to help each other get better, working with each other, little tips here and there. There's so many little nuances to the different things that we're doing that just the guys that have been doing it for 20 years, 15, 20 years, I mean, they have a lot of different ideas and things that they've found that work. So they're able to save the younger guys a lot of time and helping them figure out the best way to do it.
Sure. Okay, so FrederickHVAC.com, FrederickHVAC.com, and you also have Holtzople.com. And, of course, you can be found on Frederick.com.
That's it.
All righty. Get your AC work done, heating and ventilation, air conditioning, AC, oil furnaces, any of that kind of stuff, right?
Furnaces, boilers, geothermal, heat pumps, ductwork, pretty much everything you can think of, heating, ventilation, air conditioning. Yep.
All right. Thanks for coming out, Jerred.
Thanks a lot.
Holtzople Heating and Air Conditioning. Holtzople Heating and Air Conditioning.